All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's finish up our summer solstice paragraph editing. This has a lot of mistakes. Once summer begins, the sun starts to rise a little farther south each day. We must have a capital at the beginning. Once summer begins, comma, the sun starts to rise a little farther each day, period. Capital F. For the next 6 months, comma, in the northern hemisphere, comma, this marks the seasons of summer and fall, period. We do not need to capitalize this, even though it almost feels like we should. By late fall, comma, the hours of sunlight have begun to dwindle as the shortest day of the year, known as winter solstice, approaches, period. That day, comma, which is usually December 21st, comma, marks the beginning of summer solstice in the southern hemisphere. Remember that these sections that we're marking off with commas usually can be taken out of the sentence, and the rest of the sentence will still make sense. That day marks the beginning of summer solstice in the southern hemisphere. This phrase could be taken out, and the rest of the sentence would make sense. That's why we've set it apart with commas. The bottom section is the end of this essay. So what does the word solstice mean? Question mark, capital. It is a Latin word that means the sun stood still, period. Now we're going to put quotation marks here, not because someone is talking, but because they're trying to draw attention to this phrase, which is telling what this word means. So we're setting apart these words as special. During the summer and winter solstices, the sun appears to rise and set at almost exactly the same places that it has in previous years. This makes it easy to predict when the seasons will change and what kind of weather to expect. Period here. We need a period, a capital at the beginning of the sentence. And this is the incorrect homophone. This does say weather, but this is not the sunshine rain word. It should be W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Capital, because we added a period. Many people spend the summer solstice, comma, the longest day of the year, comma, enjoying the warm sunshine with a day on the beach and a bonfire. Now, in this sentence, we need to add one thing. During the summer and winter solstices, comma, the sun appears to rise and set at almost exactly the same places that it has in previous years. And that is all. I hope you found all those mistakes.